Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a recap video of my week because it was actually really eventful and I had two special guests at my house. This video we're just gonna go day by day because we did a lot. So Sunday we went to CINQUE TERRE to meet Billy and Laura. So we woke up at like the crack of dawn and we went on the train from Florence to Monterosso CINQUE TERRE, and the views from the train once you got close, like once you were on the five lands, like oh my gosh, they were so beautiful. Like it's so worth it. And it reminded me, well, because I haven't been there yet, but it reminded me of what I might see when I go to the Amalfi Coast. It was just, oh, it was beautiful. So we got there around like 10 a.m. It was very easy to find them, to be honest. I thought it was gonna be a little harder, but we found them like really quick. Gave our hugs, you know, you do all that stuff. Took a selfie like right away. And yeah, then we just started exploring. So what we did was we planned to go like on a hike, something that really allowed us to see like how beautiful the views are, and just going higher and higher to see all the picture perfect views. Going into the land and in the towns, just seeing what we can find. We talked to some really cool people, and then it was starting to get hot and we decided to go for a swim. So what we did was we found this really cool like secret place where there was like no one there, so it was down this like crazy looking rock, and we were just like, wanna go? And I was like, yeah, let's go. So we went down a rock. That was a little dangerous, but it was so worth it because the water was so beautiful. We all got a little cut up, but it was okay. The vibes were immaculate and I loved it. And we were able to get tan and just enjoy the water. So then after that, what we did was just, you know, walk back to like the main town area, and we decided to get something to eat. And what we ate was, I think they had like calamari and, wait, I'll take a picture of it, I think. Oh yeah. So it was calamari and gnocchi with like, what's that green stuff? What's that green stuff on there? I should know. I didn't like it in the United States, but I like it here. I don't know why, but yeah. My palate is changing. So that's what we had to eat, and it was very, very good. And we had a lot of bread. The bread was so good as well. But so yeah, we ate that, then we started walking around some more, then we went to the beach again, and we went to like actual beach this time. Billy jumped off a cliff. Me and Edwin were just in the water, and then we all like just chilled out. Like I think Laura took a nap. Billy might have taken a nap too. He just knocked out on the rocks, like, because there was no sand at this beach. It was like pebbles and rocks just crashed right there. I was just enjoying relaxing and getting tan. I think Edwin was listening to music. Nice little vibe on the beach. And then after that, we went back into the town, had some good interactions with like the people there, got some gelato. It was time to like head out, and we went back to Florence. Our train got delayed. It was like the first time like I've ever been on a delayed train or had that happen to me. But I didn't really care, to be honest. Like I wasn't in a rush to go home. I just liked being like by the water with my family. Like I really didn't care about the train being late. I was just like, great, we got more time here, so we're just talking and catching up and stuff. Billy had bought me a couple things, which is really nice. So like this is those things that I've been seeing on Instagram where you like look into it and then you see a picture, and so it's really sweet. It's a picture of me and my mom when we were dressed up in matching PJs for Christmas. So now I wear this like every day because it's very, very cute and it's a very sentimental gift. And then they also bought me a pullover, what's it called? Like a fanny pack that you can wear here or wherever you want to wear it. So it's really nice. It's an upgraded fanny pack because the one that I had was a little, like it's cute, but this one's like more sleek. They got me that, and they also got me a couple more things like toiletry things that I had asked them to get me. They headed to my apartment after, which was also very, very fun. They slept in my kitchen because we have a pull-out couch. And yeah, oh, I forgot. When we finally got back, it was pretty late. We were kind of hungry. So me, Billy, and Laura, we went to go eat at Zaza's, a place that always has a line out the door. Apparently, it's pretty popular, obviously. but like I didn't really know that until I saw the line out the door. But anyways, we went there, we ate. This place is freaking huge inside. Like, it's obvious there's a place outside, but then when you go inside, this is where we ate, there's like a back, a side, another side, and a downstairs. Like, this place is huge. And the environment, like Billy described it as like overwhelming, or like, you know, just like very busy and lively, which it is. And there's a lot of people all at once. There's decorations like everywhere. It's a very, very cool place. And the food was actually really good too. I had something else that I normally don't eat. So like I said, my palate is changing, man. But we had steak, potatoes, we had salad, and we had some pasta thing, which the pasta was actually good. And that was the thing that I probably wouldn't have eaten like 2-3 years ago. The next day we woke up early, not early really, but like early enough. I had class, so we had went to class on Monday, and then after class we walked around Florence. I was just showing them like, this is our school and this is the Duomo. So all the spots that we go to, we showed them a couple like thrift shops. We were roaming around. We also because we're so close to the Duomo, we booked tickets to go the next day to wake up early and climb the bell tower at the Duomo. And then also with that ticket, we were able to see the baptistry and the museum. So Tuesday, that's what we did. We got up very early, climbed the bell tower. And that experience was kind of like Pisa, where like you go in circles until you get to the top. But the views were very, very cool, I have to admit. Definitely recommend doing that. Then after that, we went to the museum, which in the museum, it has all the original copies of the statues that are on the exterior of the Duomo. That was pretty cool because the week prior we had actually learned about that in class. Yeah, just applying what you learn, see it in person, you know, that type of thing. So yeah, we did that, and then we had class for 2 hours, and because we went to sleep so late and I woke up so early, it was so hard for me to stay up in class. So I was tired. We got out of class and we started roaming around a little bit more, and then it was time for them to leave. They're like our first like sleepover guests, which is really cool. And I really enjoyed their presence and just being in their company. So then for like the rest of the week, Wednesday I went to class, Thursday I went to class, and pretty much we just kicked it at home. Like, we relaxed because we did a lot over the weekend and like Monday, Tuesday. So Thursday we had our art visit. And in the art visit, you know, we go around Florence and we learn about different things. But this time I rubbed the nose of the pig. So apparently you're supposed to like get good luck if you put a coin over his nose. You rub his nose with the coin and you put it in his mouth, and then if it falls into like the gutter thing, you have good luck. But mine didn't fall in there, so I picked up the coin and I put it in there because that's what I did. It didn't go in there, so I guess I'm not lucky, but I'm lucky because I got God, so period. Anyways, that's what we did. And then Friday, we chilled out. We didn't really do nothing. And then, yeah, we just stayed home. That's it. That's all we did. And then today is Saturday, and what I did today was give myself a little restart. So it's the first of the month. So what I did was I cleaned my sheets, and that's kind of difficult because I have to hang my sheets in these awkward areas in my room because they're so large, but they're drying now. So then I also paid my phone bill here, which was 10 euros a month. Can't beat that. Oh, I cleaned the whole house. I cleaned the bathroom, did deep clean of that. I cleaned the hallway, like I swept, and then I cleaned the whole kitchen. And then I just went for a walk. I got some gelato. I just chilled out. I wrote for a little bit. So that was my day today, and that was my week this past week. So thank you for tuning into this week's recap video of my experience here, and stay tuned for the next